Hi there, and welcome to 750 Score. My name is Brandon, aka Mr. Credit Approved. If you're watching this video, that means you've made the decision to begin on your road to get credit. So go over to my.750score.com, which you see up on your screen now, read over it, and watch the videos. We'll start uploading more videos here going forward that will give you tips and tricks that you can do on a daily basis to better your credit. All right? Right now, what we want to do actually is go on down to where you see ready for good credit, complete steps 1 and 2. Now, it's important that you fill out both of these because if you don't fill out the second one, it's not going to come to us. All right, so you will go over to Identity IQ. It says click here, get your 3 bureau credit reports and scores via Identity IQ for only $1 for the first 7 days. Then after, just $29.99 a month for the membership. So if you don't cancel within 7 days, they will charge you $29.99 a month. But with that, like I said, you'll get 3 credit reports all in one with scores every month. It'll update. So the benefits of this is if you go through the program and let's say the mail comes late, well, we can always update this credit report every 30 days to see exactly what changes have been made and do a credit file review for you, which you can see in our client portal. So what you do is just click over on Pull My Credit Now, fill out the information, and you can see it still says $1 for 7 days, then $29.99. Just remember, if you're going to keep this, go ahead. If you're not, make sure you cancel within 7 days. Once you fill that out, take the username and password you put in there, go back over to the Path to Get Credit page, and click on Step 2 for the credit analysis. Now, we do charge $39.95 for our time up front, but with that, we go over your credit report. It takes us roughly 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how much stuff you have in your credit, and we map out a plan for what we can do and also things that you can do on your own to better your credit, regardless if you go through our program. So you go down here, make sure you fill out all this information. Everything with asterisk needs to be filled out. All right, one main thing that we've updated on here is we ask for a government-issued ID now. That prevents fraud, chargeback. So if you're going to do it, make sure you upload a government issued ID that goes with the card that you're using and matches, your credit profile. All right. So once you do it, click pay, and all this stuff will come over to us. Once we check our emails, we'll get back with you within, like I said, 30 to 45 minutes for us to go through it. And then we can discuss all the changes that you can make and what we can do to better your credit. All right. So we're looking forward to speaking with you soon.